9th April 2021, and the topic is My Success Ladder. Here comes Mrs. V.T. Kavita to recite the poems. Welcome, ma'am.
My Success Ladder by Mrs. Anuradha. Every step we take have probability. Confidence is the key to each step. Cheers and gears of soul and mind. Mantra that I can do. Motivation from failures. Activation of deeds with proper alignment made me to step up the success ladder. By Mrs. Sumati. Some of us succeed because we are destined. Most of us succeed as we are determined. The nails of my success was painted with the polish of patience. I climbed the ladder of success through the steps of hard work. Whatever I do, I will cost my best. Obviously, it will take me up the ladder of success. Courage is the basic step in my success ladder. To overcome the gossips, to make use of the ringing opportunities. Without passing failure on the way, no one can reach the destination of success. By Mr. Abrav Devagan. When I started my journey, I called everyone whom I thought to be wise. Everyone pretended, but nobody wanted to help. Then I wrote my story of myself. My father always said, books are our best friends. They never change with the trend. For ages, they are the same. Only books can show you the right way. The more you read, the more you know, and the more you grow. From his advice, I learnt books guide you the best, and they stand by you till the end. Really, read a good book when you feel life has become a mess. It can prove your ladder to success. By Mrs. S. Shamala. Whenever my mind breaks up, a ladder lifts me up. It's none but my self confidence. To my success, it gives assurance. Thousands of problems in a queue threatens me on my way to subdue. I care not their interference. I have the solution called self confidence. My problems may be as big as a whale, but my confident lever is as wide as the ocean. So I care not the unexpected events cause valor, and self confidence are my defense. Gracious to my self confidence, the success ladder of my self defense. By S. Yamini Priya. To reach the heights of victory, need to see the world in a different perspective, a far-sighted vision on your goal. As of now, I think I am successful in what I am. Fixing a short-term goal, work for it with patience and dedication. Stay positive in ills and odds. Learn a better lesson from failure. Holding a small positivity and move further for success. What is success? Does success has a rigid definition? It depends upon the individual goals. A short-term fulfillment of our aims is a huge success. Success is sure to crown when you are ready to climb it with good traits. Success is like having water after a gooseberry. By Mrs. S. Deepa. The steps of the ladder is decorated with well wishes, rarely with insults and failures. To reach the top step, still need some more moves. It may be either bitter or sweet, but to have a grand treat. Move, move, keep on moving without stagnation. Often ask some questions now and then, like why, how, what, just to know whether you go in the right path. Never forget to hold it properly so that it will hold you and take you to the top. By Mrs. Dr. S. Kayalviri. My success pivots truly by my effort with insurmountable family support. Consanguinity acquitted the steps, never stall to fill up my peps. Trials together with prosperity, skills once won dexterity. By Mr. Abrav Devgan. I have seen often your ladder to success is your hardcore discipline. If you are disciplined, you can touch any height. Core discipline ensures that your future is bright. With discipline, even average person can perform miracle. He can outshine the best because a disciplined person never thinks of rest until he attains his goals. He always believes that ball is in his court. He never blames other for his defeat. So he always finds everything within his reach. Mrs. V.T. Kavita. My first success leaders are parents and teachers. Without them, I am nothing. Today, I am something and can attain anything by their blessing. Age has no bar, a ship of same feather flocks. Wonderful captains, honest reviewers, everyday memory, no day lives without inhaling poetic excellence. Entire air spells warm, mesmerizing thoughts. A lovely hawk knocks with beautiful backgrounds. What else I need except encircling with my lovely CW ladders, making me climbing high to touch the sky. By Mr. Abrav Devgan sir. Every day a new goal setting. It's not everyone's cup of tea. Still I enjoy it. Every day I set a new goal for me and I try my best to attain it. Sometimes it brings smile on my face. Sometimes I feel I have lost the race. When things remain pending, I try to finish them with deadline. If I win, I smile. If I fail, I think it's also fine because from the shore you can't check the depth of the sea and only positive side of the thing I see. By Dr. Raj. My life is not mystery but history. I sizzle my life inch by inch. Hard work is the only investment. Books are my real companions. My success is my access in life. True patience in life wins all. Success in life needs patience. By Mrs. Hemasudha. Long ago dwelt in a doomy place which was full of ladders and snakes. Went in search for a right ladder that to elevate, to come out of the deadly, mysterious maze. Before I could find the ladder in the labyrinth, many venomous serpents tangled my feet. To my horror, started to suck my blood and ingested poison instead. Choked for breath and longed for free air. Forced and determined to design my own ladder. Gradually, formed it step by step with a ray of hope that extracted huge potential and patience to cope. Once my shaky, unstable ladder was ready, without paying heed to people's insults and mockery, stepped on it to reach the pinnacle of success have traveled off the way, yet miles to progress. By Mr. Lokesh. It took its own sweet time. Yes, I have climbed few floors up. Sure, it is not the top. If you could see me, it confirms that. Stayed there floating not long after. Took the way down only to see scholars, then hard workers, and many deserving. My success ladder will let you know when I get one. By Mrs. V. Tamil Selvi. Confidence to study to reach the goal. Never fall in insane games and dreams. Believe myself to work hard to get success. All wishes should make it come true in future. Never fall down when meet many failure. Love nature and books provide clear view. Of wisdom hardly leave mind from achieve. Perseverance makes desire of stepping stones. Words of others may dismay the novelty, where would be great belief and faith, and blessings of forerunners is wraith. Lead life as being great role model to peers. By Mrs. S. Lakshmi. My success ladder is too tall, but my confidence says I will never fall. I climbed the ladder step by step because the ladder is too steep. The best step of ladder is education, which is the reason for my transformation. To taste the sweet success, so far I tasted many bitter failures. On climbing, I find many enemies, but they teach lot like dictionaries. Reached the top with the help of my family because they are my powerful army. Ladder of success always crowded at bottom, but never crowded at the top. If you believe you can climb the ladder, then you can reach the success very faster. Mrs. P. Alice. My success ladder, parents, my siblings and teachers. With much struggle climbs, all well wishers uplifts. Along with competitors, jealous souls and friends, real love of true relatives, soulmates, love too helps. My kids encourages high, above all favors rise. My confident hard work, woeful move, lifts up task. By Mrs. G. Leela Bhakia. My success ladder are too many, a list likely to be listed. Advice free of cost, wholehearted for my upliftment. Friends as a part of suggestions, getting insight, everything matters. Inserting all the genuine acceptance helps to reach the point of success. By Mrs. G. Sarala. To step up the ladder, it's not the legs solely. Playing a vital role, dedication wholeheartedly as where the ladder to be placed, and the eyes are to be firm. On each step as concentration, stepping ahead pushed by others earns you bitter, but your sweat, though salty, earns fruitful success. The blessings of our parents and God erects the ladder still for the eternal blissful success. By Mrs. U. Maragadam. I am happy about what I am now, but not satisfied in my whereabouts. The success doesn't end here. By looking back and reminiscing the thoughts, I could see many stars of my successful ladder. My mother, who inspired me a lot, felt proud in me, taught to tackle tiring conditions. My father, who paved platform for my career. My partner, who led me to be self-determined. My toddlers, who made my life worthful. over and above my comrades who stood together in all my hardships. Who else to say? Many stars are still awaiting in my ladder for my ultimate succession. By Mrs. S. Prabha. Ladder, oh, I could find it when I was roaming left to right, but not straight, zigzag it waved, just like my mind. Ladder, oh, here it is. I found it after a long journey. It guided me to the right path in a right way, in the right time, to face the struggles, to break the hurdles, to touch the peak with a eye speak. Without any fear, I traveled towards victory because a courageous man behind me who joined hands with me is my life partner. By Mrs. P.R. Kalyani. My successful ladder, my parents, are my first ladder to get the best education. My husband is the second ladder to reach this profession. Books are my best ladders, still climbing up. Being a ladder, I allow my children to touch the top. Ladders have few countable steps. Don't hurry, get in one by one till you reach the top. Every phase of the life needs a ladder. Climb carefully. One day you will become a leader. Each phase need your pass. Then start climbing. Then no loss. Climbing fast makes the ladder shake. May fell down with the ladder, giving all a great shock. By Mrs. R. Elil. Books are my successful ladder. Reading is an inexpensive hobby to be greater. Read novels and fiction chapter by chapter. It's a good companion for a traveler. Skim and scan books for brain wealth, one and only source for mental health. Read again and again to gain knowledge. It's the prosperous way for students in college. Encourage kids with the reading hobby. It helps them to win so many trophies. Improves memory and concentration. Books are valuable friend, guide us to perfection.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am. You have recited in a wonderful manner. Thank you, dear creative writers, for your awesome verses. Really amazing. Thank you. Keep penning.